PCB. This is the software we're using. That's the PCB editor, yes.
Yep.
That's the one.
And here's a preview.
That's the preview, that's the one.
That's what the board looks like.
Yeah, that's the one.
And that's the artwork from the different sides. That's the footprint layout.
It's amazing.
Yeah. And then we can go over and look at the other one.
How do you pause it?
Hit stop.
It's the PCB arrived from China.
Yep, JLPCB.
See what's inside.
And inside we got, actually there was a minimum order of 5. I've already started to populate one of them. But that's the finished board.
Amazing. Yeah.
Plated through holes, silk screen, solder mask, the whole bit. And the company logo, very important.
Is it going to focus?
Yeah.
Where's the company logo? Oh,
Right here. Yeah.
Amplifier expert.
Yep. Our own first custom board. Okay. The board now with components. This relay is going to go here, like that. So almost finished. I just got to finish soldering and clipping some leads here.
Keep doing it. Continue.
Yeah.
Continue cutting. Focus is not. I'm not sure if this really focused though.
Is it on? It's on
I'm not
autofocus,
sure. Oh, it's
so
an autofocus.
should be fine. Then I got to solder this transistor in.
So this project is for.
It's for an amplifier on the shelf behind me that needs a loudspeaker protection circuit because the owner is worried that his direct coupled amplifier could damage his speakers in the event that that something goes wrong and the amplifier starts malfunctioning. So this circuit will detect DC and it will shut the relay off and disconnect the speakers automatically in the event of a fault.
Okay, after it's done, we will show you the next step. See you next video.